Okay, the next item on our taskbar that we're going to take a look at is called the task view. So what the task view is if I click on this, is it's just a quick overview of everything that I currently have open on my computer. So for instance, right now I have 3 things open. If I was to open up, let's say Photoshop, just to open up something else, or maybe the snipping tool as well, I'm going to open up all this stuff. When I go to task view, you're going to see all of them here, anything that's open. So if I decide that I want to close it, I can just exit right here and actually close it out, or I can navigate through different programs and kind of toggle between programs this way as well. The other thing that's down here that's kind of interesting is you can actually add a new desktop. And the question might be, why would I want to do this? Well, it might actually be interesting for you to have a new desktop if you're working like on a specific project that maybe you're kind of working on back and forth throughout the day but you don't want to kind of mess up what you already have. So let's say, for instance, I'm working on a Photoshop project. I'm going to have this on this desktop. Here's my Photoshop. If I go back to my task view, I can switch back to my desktop 1. That Photoshop project is not even open here. It's not really here at all. But if I go back here, I can switch over to desktop 2, and here's my project kind of bothered. So it's kind of nice, like if you've got something going on that you want to make sure it doesn't get touched throughout the day, but you're going to be going back and forth throughout the day. And then if for some reason I close out this desktop, it doesn't really close the file, it just puts it over on my original desktop. So it doesn't eliminate any of the work that you've done. So you can have as many desktops as you want. So if you had 3 or 4 big projects going on and you kind of wanted them all separated, you can add a different desktop for each. Or sometimes people do this if they have multiple users using their computer as well. Maybe you've got everything set up the way you want it for first period, but second period is going to be completely different. So you're going to create a new desktop for second period, or you just your student wants to use your laptop and you don't want to mess up what you have set up, so you just hit a new desktop and let them work on that desktop. So it's just a way to keep things separated.